This is a quilt called Christmas Town. It's embroidered. It was made by a friend of mine, Maureen, and I have hesitated to quilt it for about 5 years. It's very thick, and I was concerned with how the machine would handle it. I actually haven't had to slow it down. I did choose kind of an open pattern. It's an art and stitch pattern called Snow. Has a couple of small snowflakes and a large one, and quite a bit of open space because I don't think this needs to be quilted flat by any means. When it crosses over the sashing, it kind of leaves a bit more of a bump because the sashing is also embroidered. But I think overall it's going to be really pretty. White poly sheen thread for the quilting top and bottom, an SUK 90 needle. I was going to slow it down, but it does seem to be handling it okay, so I think we'll be alright with it. I just used flannel for the batting because the quilt batting would have made it too thick. And if you don't put any batting in it, I'm not really sure that I like that either. Especially with all these seams that are going to kind of be poking up a little bit. You can hear it stirring a little bit when it goes faster because it is very thick and it's going through a lot of embroidery. The only other changes I made to this were, it started out as an 8-inch high design. I made it 10. And then reversed every other row, reversed and inverted, so that